So we will solve some few questions today, which is on state-based oriented questions. Okay. Yes. So solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. Okay. So x by 2 plus 2y by 3. First we'll take the first question. Okay. X by 2 plus 2y by 3. First one. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. And x minus y by 3. X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. First we go with elimination method. Okay. Elimination method. Okay. Now first I take LCM 6. So 3 goes upside. So 3 into x, 3x. So 2 into 2, 4y is equal to minus 1. I did LCM. Okay. 3x minus 4y is equal to 6 is dividing. If it goes that side, minus 1. So this is the first equation. Now second equation we'll see. That is 3 is the LCM. So 3x minus y is equal to 3. So 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. This is the second equation. So first equation implies that is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 6. Second equation implies that is 3x minus y is equal to 9. You have to check whether the coefficient of either x or y is equal. I have x coefficient is 3 3. Then I can cancel. You have to see whether we have the different signs or same signs. We have both are plus signs. So at this time we cannot even subtract. So you have to put the minus sign. So therefore both will cancel. So minus becomes plus. So plus before the minus. Whenever you are doing minus, all the symbols will change. So minus 4 and then plus 5 is how much? Minus 3y. And then minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. So y is equal to minus 15 by minus 3. Cancel. 3 ones are 3 5. Y is equal to 5. Now you can substitute y is equal to 5 in first equation. Okay, y is equal to 5 in first equation. First equation, it's your wish, first or second equation. Okay, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 6. How much y is equal to 5? Okay, so 3x minus 4 5 is 20 is equal to minus 6. 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 20. So 3x is equal to how much it is? So 20 minus 6 is the same, right? 5 4 is 20, minus 20 goes that side plus 20. Yes, 20 minus 6 is 14. So x is equal to 14 by 3. Next, we go with substitution method. Actually, whether the method be anything, but you should get the same answer. Okay, that is the main criteria here. Substitution method. Say take first equation, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 6. Okay, so here you have to substitute, right? So before we go further, we have to take the equation. That is minus 4y goes to that side, it becomes plus 4y. And x is 3 is multiplying. So if it comes this side, it is minus. So divided by. So x is equal to, you got this answer. This you should substitute. So put x is equal to minus 6 plus 4y by 3 in second equation. So substitution method is completely substituted. Okay. Second equation we have is 3x minus y is equal to 9. So what is the x we have? Minus 6 plus 4y by 3 minus y is equal to 9. Okay. Now see here. We can cancel 3 3. Minus 6 plus 4y minus y is equal to 9. 4y minus y is 3y. 6 you send that side, that is 9 plus 6. So y is equal to 15 it is. So y is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Okay, we say we got y is equal to 5. Clear? Clear? In both the methods we got y is equal to 5. Now you substitute in this equation. So x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 into y is 5. Already we got it. So divided by 3. You can write this. Put y is equal to 5 in first equation. You can write this. Okay. Because this is our first equation here. Okay. Now see here. Minus 6. 4 5 is how much? 20 by 3. Now 20 minus 6 is how much? 14. Right? By 3. So x is equal to, see. You have now in both the methods, you have x is equal to 14 by 3 and y is equal to 5. That is the way you should substitute elimination and substitution methods. Okay. Next question we will solve. Next question is nothing but we have So Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. Okay. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Okay, that's okay. Meena got 25 notes in all. Okay. Find how many notes for rupees 50 and shilling. So simple this is. Okay. Yes. First, let second question I am solving. Let rupees 50 notes be. How much? We do not know. So X. Therefore, let rupees 100 notes be. How much? Y. Clear? Now, according to the question, what do we have? Total notes. Total notes is equal to how much we have? 25. That means x plus y is equal to 25. Okay. This will be our first equation. So second equation is implies what? Total money. Okay. So total money withdrawn. Total money, just check. Total money to be withdrawn. To be withdrawn is equal to rupees 2000. Correct? Now, so 50 rupees, we do not know how many notes are there. So 50x. 100 rupees also we do not know. So 100y is equal to 2000. So I do simplification divided by 50. So everywhere you divide by 50. 50, 50 cancel x. 50 ones are 52 is 100, 2y. So 54 is a 240. This is the second equation. Now, first equation implies that is x plus y is equal to 25. Second equation also implies that is x plus 2y is equal to 40. What do I have to check? I have to check which coefficient is equal. So x coefficient is equal, so I need not to change. So both are plus side. So I have to change the signs now. Okay. Plus y minus 2y is minus y. 45, 25 minus 20 is how much? Minus 15. So minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 15. So you can do any equation. Y is equal to 15 in first equation. So first equation implies x plus y is equal to 25. So y is equal to 15, right? So 15 is equal to 25. So x is equal to 25 minus 15. So x is equal to 10. So that means you can tell that therefore rupees 50 notes are x. That is equal to 10 notes. Rupees 100 notes are y. That is equal to 15. So if you add both 10 plus 15, 25. See, we have 25 notes. So our question here only we got to know it is correct. Clear? Clear? Yes. So next question. Third question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So find the fraction. Okay. So a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. So we do not know the numerator and denominator here. So let's do this question. Third question. Let the numerator be x. Let the denominator be y. So according to the problem, what they are telling, if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, the fraction is become 9 by 11. So cross multiply. 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. 11 into x, 11x. 11 2s are 22. 9 into y, 9y. 9 2s are 18. So you send everything 9x minus 11y. So 18, 22. So I took the variables to the RHS side and constant to the LHS side. Okay, LHS side I took only variables and RHS side I took the constants. So 11x minus 9y minus 4. So this is the first equation. Now again they told one more thing. What is that? If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Now 3 is added. So x plus 3, y plus 3. What is the fraction is becoming? I think 5 by 6, right? 5 by 6. cross multiply. So 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So 6 into x, 6x, 6 3 is 18. 5 into y, 5y, 5 3 is 15. So you send this side, 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. So 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 is how much? Minus 3. This is the second equation. Now we are going to solve both the equations. First equation implies 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So I think here either x coefficient or y coefficient both are not same. So we have to change either of the equation or we just go with the substitution method. Okay, whichever is easy for us. So I think elimination method is quite easy. We go in this way. This equation I'll multiply with 6. So this I'll multiply with 11. See 6 into 11, 66. 9 6 are 54y. 6 4s are 24. 11 into 6, 66x. 11 5s are 55y. 11 3s are 33 minus. Now you see 66, 60 both are same, but signs are not same. So I have to change the signs everywhere. Now minus 54 plus 55 is plus y. Plus 20 minus 24 plus 11 is plus 33. So 33 minus 24 you can do. So it is 13. 13 by 4 is 9. So y is equal to how much you got? 9. So now take y is equal to 9 in first equation. What is first equation? We have 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 11x we do not know. Y we have is 9. So is equal to minus 4. Now 11x, 9 9s are 81 minus 4. 11x, so minus 4 plus 81. How much it is? 77. Okay, then x is equal to 77 by 11. Now x is equal to 7. Okay, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9 we have. Now see, now the fraction is we have taken, therefore the required fraction. Therefore the required fraction. Therefore the required fraction is x by y. That is nothing but 7 by 9. Okay, yes, you got this. That is the simple question. Okay, next we go with the fourth one. What is the fourth one? An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour, more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Now you have to understand, we do not know the speed. Let the speed be x. Okay, let the speed be x. Total distance traveled is 132 kilometer. Now what you have telling, suppose I'll tell you two scenarios. You are going with 80 kilometer per hour. Your friend is going with 60 kilometer per hour. Who reaches soon? You only, because you are traveling at more kilometer per hour. Your friend is traveling less kilometer per hour. Now what is happening here? An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel. That means, so if you just speed up your vehicle by 11 kilometers more than the original one, you will be saving 1 kilometer, 1 hour less. Okay, so this one we put in a equations. Now total distance. Okay, total distance is equal to 132 kilometers. Okay, let speed be, we have x. Okay, according to the problem, what problem is telling? If you increase your speed by 11 kilometers, that means your time. So what is the time formula? I'll write here. Time formula is equal to distance by speed. So according to the problem, what it is telling, if you increase your speed by 11 kilometers than the original time, that is 132 by x, it will make you to reach 1 hour earlier. Okay, this is how the equation forms. Clear? Clear? Or no, it will be 1 hour less. So here it will be x plus 11, I think. So here it is x only, because yeah, if you travel 132 by x, suppose you are traveling at 80 km per hour at x, so you reach some particular of time. So when you are traveling with 90 km per hour, so you will reach very soon, right? So that is how your tactic should be. So x into x plus 1. So 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 into x, okay, is equal to 1. 132 into x is 132x plus 132 into 11. 132 into 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 33, 35. 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 3 14, 1452. 1452 minus 132x. So this multiplication goes that side. So 1 into x is x into x plus 11 only. So plus 132x minus 132x cancel. So 1452 is equal to x into x is x square plus 11. So 0 is equal to x square plus 11. You send this side 1452. Okay, now you can simplify this equation. So you know this factorization method, and then okay, factorization method. So factorization method and then normal method. So I go with factorization method. So 1 4 5 2. If you multiply, you'll get this equation, that is x square. I can take 33 into 44, and when you add, you must get 11x. Okay, 11x it is. Sorry, 11x. Now 11x. So since it is having the positive, you have to put the negative here. Okay, because it is plus into minus minus. Now you can go with this. Okay. Now replace middle value, that is plus 11x is there. No, in that place you write minus 33x plus 44x minus 1452 is equal to 0. So x you take common, x minus 33. Here 44 you take common, x minus 33. One more blind feature is what comes in a first bracket, the second bracket also will be the same thing. So x minus 33 into x plus 44 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 33 because minus 33 goes that side. X is equal to minus 44. So negative you cannot take because speed will never be negative. So speed is positive. Therefore, the speed is x, that is 33 kilometer per hour. So it is important question. Don't miss it. Okay. Next, second question. Fifth question we are moving on. Fifth question. Okay. Fifth question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Okay, 60 meters more than the shorter side. So diagonal, I can take some rectangle, right angle triangle. So A, B, C. What it is telling? Plus 10 tails. Okay, diagonal. Okay, that means hypotenuse of rectangular field. See, basically, how you can tell this? No, rectangular. First we'll draw. We'll draw rectangle. This is the diagonal. Okay, the diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side if the longer side is 30 meters. So let me take longer side 30 meters. This is x shorter side. So this will be how much? 60 meters more. So that means here the 90 degrees forms. It looks like Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Therefore, you can tell, let the shorter side be 1 minute. Let the shorter side be x. Okay. Therefore, the diagonal okay. Therefore, the diagonal is x plus 60. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem tells you? Hypotenuse whole square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So x plus 60 whole square is equal to 30 square plus x square. That's it. Okay. So a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 30 square is how much? 30 into 30 will get 900. X square as it is. 60 square is 3600. 2 6 are 120x is equal to 900 plus x square. So a square plus b square. 1 minute, let me see the question again. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Okay, this is not 30, x plus 30. Okay, this is not 30, x plus 30, because the longer diagonal is only 60 square. So when it comes to shorter side, it will be x plus 30. They told in the question. Okay, that is x plus 30 whole square plus x square. Now apply x square. A square plus b square means 60 square is 3600. 2 into x into 60. Now a square, b square is 30 square plus 2. A is x, b is 30 plus x square. X square as it is 3600 plus 120x is equal to x square plus x square 2x square, because here 1. Now 30 square is 900. So 3 into 20 60x. Everything is in that side now. 0 is equal to 2x square, and the x square one comes here minus x square, and plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600. Now 2x square minus x square plus 60 minus 20 minus 60x, then plus 300 minus 3600. So 3600 minus. So whenever one is plus, one is minus, you have to do the subtraction, but the symbol is negative only because bigger number before whatever it is the sign. This is the equation. So what equation you have? X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. You have this equation. Now factorization. Minus 2700 into x square minus 2700 x square. Now, if you multiply, you will get this equation, and if you add, you will get the minus 60x. Okay, can't you find out from here? Simply like finding the factors, substituting in the minus 60 place, and you have to find the x value. Clear it is? Clear? So I think 90 into 30 you can take. So since it is having the negative here, so you can take 30. See, minus 30 plus minus 90 plus 30 is minus 60. 93 is 2700. Now you can write minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. X if you take common, x minus 90. If you take 30 common, it is x minus 90. So x minus 90, x minus 90, x plus 30. Minus 90 goes that side, that is plus 90. So plus 30 goes that side, minus 30. Minus 30 you cannot take because the measurement will never be negative. X is equal to 90. Therefore, the shorter side is equal to x is equal to 30 meters. Next, the diagonal is equal to x plus 60. That is 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. Therefore, the larger side or longer side, anything, that is x plus 30. That is 90 plus 30. X you got 90, right? So x plus 60 means 90 plus 60, it is 150. 90 plus 30, 120. So three angles are 130 meters, 150 meters, 120 meters. That's it. Okay. Clear it is? Yes. Simple. Next, the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age in years. 1 minute. Okay, the one question which is pending, we will do that. Okay. Yes. So the one question, I will read it out. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's ages in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. We will see the answer now. Yeah. See now, let Rahman's age is x. 3 years ago, that means minus 3, x minus 3, and its reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3. Next, 5 years from now, that means x plus 5, and its reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5. According to the problem, what did they tell? The sum of both this first and second equation is equal to 1 by 3. I took. Then LCM, x minus 3 into x plus 5. After LCM, you will get the equation. So once getting the equation, you need to go for the factorization method. Once the factorization method you get find out, you need to find for the equation. X cannot be minus 3 because age cannot be in negatives. So x is equal to 7 where Rahman's age is 7 years old. That's it. Okay, clear? Yes. So any type of question, you always must be very careful. You just need to form the equations properly. So rest all the things you can do it. Okay.